What's up, my beautiful people? How are you doing this morning? I hope you're having a good day and have a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, guys, my name is Liz Nyesawa and this is the Korean Impress. Yeah, guys, I missed you so much. Did you miss me? I know you did. Yeah, guys. So, guys, it's a beautiful morning from my place, from my village. Yeah, and first and foremost, let me welcome the new viewers to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and thank you for watching my videos. Kindly watch to the end, like, share the video, and even comment. Tell me anything you think about my videos, guys. I really take that with much appreciation. Yeah, so guys, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Press the button and put on the notification button so that in case I put a video, you're going to see the video. Yeah, guys, I'm coming from a very beautiful place in a village. Let me just show you the surroundings. Guys, you can see the place that I'm standing. What? It's all green. It's all green. Green. The environment is all green. Wow, guys. Wow. Wow. I also like this environment, guys. Yeah, so guys, I want to show you how beautiful it is in the village. And imagine, sorry, it's during the dry season, guys. It's the dry season, and I just want to show you how some of our places here turn out during the dry season. Yeah, so guys, let's walk around. Let me just show you around. Yeah, so guys, what is this? A source of water? Can you imagine? This is a source of water. What? Let me just show you, my people. Now this water is coming from underground, like it has no source. It's just flowing, but it's coming from underground. Yeah, it's just coming from underground. Marahaba. Kwenyu ni wapi? Yeah, guys, I was talking to one of my personal persons was passing here, and he was telling me this is where he comes from, like right at this place where I'm standing. So I just asked him to take, because he was having vegetables, and asked him to take it home and come back and just give me, like, company as I show you around. Yeah, so guys, this place, like, there are even cows here grazing. The cows are grazing. You see, it's a beautiful land. It's a very beautiful place, guys. It's so green. And imagine it's during the dry season, like I said earlier. But I'm surprised. It's green. So I think it's because of these waters. And I'm just wondering, why don't these water dry? It's coming just from deep underground. And it's so clean. So clear. Like you can see even the insects inside. I think I love this. The water is so clear and it doesn't dry. And this, like, activities taking place here, like you can see, this is sand, pure sand, one that we use to build houses, and there is even sand harvesting taking place. Imagine, guys, at this beautiful place, and that's why you see a heap of sand over here. Like somebody was doing sand harvesting and they just heaped it there, and it's just from this small part, guys, this small waters passing around here. Let me just show you around, my guys. There are also activities taking place, like this one person just chose to come and plant here maize. This person chose to come and plant maize, although it's not doing so well, but I think it's because maybe they haven't weeded the farm nicely. Yeah, can see guavas. You know, at our village, guavas always grow mostly next to the river or in the bushes, and you can see even the fruits, guys. Here, guava fruits, guava fruits, guava fruits, guava fruits. There are so many inside here. You know, when the kids come to the river, they do enjoy. So guys, the water that is flowing is coming to this part. In fact, it's dripping at this point. You can see. Let me just show you well. That place is so scary. So the water is coming and even flowing to this part. And see how the water is flowing deep inside, and it's dripping from the leaves. You can't imagine. And what I don't understand is why the soil turns so brown, like it's so orange. The soil is so orange. Why? What happens? Kindly tell me on the comment section. It looks like somebody was pouring yellow color right there, and it's just the water. It has even turned black. I don't understand why, but guys, that's where the water is flowing. Let me just check after this point, where does this water flow to. Tunaenda, umekuja? Tunaenda dakika moja tu. What? I almost fell down. Guys, you can see how the parts are turning. I don't understand this. Why? Why is the soil turning so orange? Like, what happens to the soil and the water? Is it having some chemicals? You can see it like oil is inside. What happens? I don't understand. Yeah, but guys, that's now where the water is flowing from. Flowing to, I mean. And I'm surprised this place has dried. It's always full of water. It's always full of water. But right now, the water is just dry and dried and dried. So guys, my personal person is here, and let us move to our different points and see what's happening. What? I'm going back to the river. Sure, this place. That's right. Don't fall down. It's like this water comes from beneath the stones. And you can just imagine when it's raining, the water is full all this part. Copy. Wow. Chamalize mtachoka. Sasa mnaweza tembea tembea. Yaani tembea nionyeshane huko. Huko tunaenda. Yeah guys, this place is so full of grass, and imagine this is where people come on a daily basis to fetch water. Daily basis. The places are so scary. Mnaenda wapi? Niendeni mtakuja. Toto songa nisikurekodi. Songa nisirekodi wewe. Yeah guys, so imagine the water just comes here. Oh wow, nice. So guys, all that water that has been roaming around, that have been showing you around, imagine it just comes to this collective point and it still continues to flow towards direction. My worry is guys, these stones, these caves. Bill, mnaenda wapi? Imagine these caves guys, these stones. What do you think about them? Aren't they so scary? What do you think? Who could be sleeping inside that place? How about inside there? But imagine guys, 24/7, the villagers are always here collecting water. Let me just show you how they do it. Bill! Bilton! Hawa guys, so these are the stairs. I'm telling to assume the stones are the stairs. So I'm thinking where you step and you have the collection points here. And you move and you cross this way and you climb. And you go. So guys, I'm imagining because this is the place that we came from, you have to cross. Yeah. Guys, I think the villagers have a hard task, but according to them, that's a daily hustle and nothing so difficult about it because that's how they were raised, reborn, found that's culture. According to them, that's something like the way you wake up at your place, brush your teeth, drink tea, that's our daily dose here in the village. So guys, let's continue with our journey. Yeah, so guys, I already got that water hole, so I just want to move and check the environment. Guys, these vegetables look so nice. Lavender, we have lavender, we have sweeter here. And you can see they are using natural manure. Natural manure. So when they pour this, that, the place becomes just fertile. This is a traditional vegetable. I used to eat it when I was young. Surprised people still cook this. Yeah. Guys, you can see how big the dam is. It's so big. So guys, I'm looking for the entry point because the gate is locked. Yeah, the gate is locked, and today being on a Sunday, the watchman is not there. So I'm just moving around to see if I can get an entry point inside the dam because if I see the surrounding, I see young men inside the dam compound, and I don't know which route they use to come in. So guys, that's what I'm moving around looking for so that I can get in and maybe try to fetch some water so that I can go pour on my corianders. Wow, beautiful scenario, beautiful scenario. skull. Look at the tail. Look at the tail. My goodness. What happened to it? Come. She doesn't hit you. Young men are bathing inside the dam. So they want to swim. Look at this pool. You can imagine when it rains, how the water runs full inside that. Wow, how beautiful is this tree? So nice. Just passing under the tree. Ah, I like the shade. It's a beautiful scene, guys. The wind is playing this song. No, no, what I put. The tones. Where? Sharp. I don't know what type of tree is this, but the tones are so pricky and the leaves are so dull. Nature. It's called nature. Songa. So here guys, here it is. Finally. This is the environment. Wow, beautiful place. So guys, this is our village dam and nothing more. I think I like this place. It's so beautiful. So the water is just coming to this end, and then from there it goes round. Wow, guys, this place is just big. Can you even get inside these waters? Wow, I see that like it's coming towards me, guys. Do you think it's moving? You just see the waves are bringing it towards my end. Wow, and I think this is just a beautiful sight. So guys, as you can see, this place is protected. It's fenced all around. It's fenced everywhere. Like it's fenced all around. Even has a gate point at some point, and before you come in, you have to ask for permission to get in here. Yeah, so guys, this is where people now, I don't understand how people use this water, but according to what I'm seeing, people come. I can see pieces of clothes here. There is even a thrown net somewhere there. So it means people come and do cleaning at this point here. Yeah, because I can see this water has got some soap So I think people come and do the cleaning. But I just like this environment, guys. I like it. It's a cool breeze around here. Very cool. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, and I just don't understand how did God say now stop the water at this point here? How did God say stop the water at this point? Don't proceed. I don't understand, guys. But it's just so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, guys, thank you for watching the video. Yeah, and in case you haven't subscribed, kindly consider to subscribe, share the video, and give it a like. Thank you, and bye for now. Apple. Wah, guys, I want to fetch water. The dam. This is our village dam, and we always come here to do cleaning and everything. So I just want to get some water today, take it somewhere, and I want to water the what they call coriander. Yeah, I want to go water coriander. And that's why I'm carrying this thing. So I just want to wash it a bit. Samaki.